one of the most interesting presentation here this time on the CES, because we have a game called Shadowgun. I guess you know it. It was launched already a couple of months on Android, but this time we have a first version with built multiplayer. So as you see, I'm just now competing against another two players playing from the Transformer Prime. These systems are connected over the Wi-Fi, so it's supporting, I guess, up to 16 players. So the thing is, try to imagine that in the future you can sit in, for example, a restaurant with your friends connected with the three Transformers on a network, and you play against each other on a local multiplayer. So I think that's pretty cool. As you see, I'm just controlling game with connected Xbox controller, which is another good feature of the Tegra 3, because there will be more and more games supporting external controllers, and I guess that all hardcore players of FPS agree with me that this is a very important thing, because basically just playing FPS on the screen, especially in the multiplayer, which is very competitive, and use the just touch screen for the virtual buttons, it's not the best thing. So basically your reactions are not so fast like on an actual controller. So I think it's a pretty cool, and you also see that we have a Transformer Prime connected to the big LCD, and I guess you agree with me that the quality of the graphics it's pretty impressive. So if I just place today console like Xbox or PlayStation 3 side by side, I would probably not recognize that this is coming just from the tablet. So it's really impressive which graphics we can do out of the Tegra 3 and Transformer Prime.